Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to create sales credit note in QuickBooks. Okay, and same way we are also going to discuss how to allocate sales credit note against particular sales invoices. So first of all, let's come into the customers. Now open ledger of particular customers. So once you open ledger, you will get create note option in new transaction. Same way in navigation bar, you can also create credit note from new option. Okay, so in customer field, you can find credit note option. Now, first of all, let's create a dummy invoice, and against that dummy invoice, I am going to raise a credit note. So let's create an invoice. So my new customer is ABC customer. Terms, invoice date, due date remaining same. Now in products and service, I simply select sales. In description, enter sales. In quantity 1, rate 50 pound, and VAT is 20%. Okay. So this is our basic detail of invoices. Now simply I'm going to save and close it. Now our invoice has been successfully saved. Now I'm going to raise the credit note against this customer. So come to the credit note option. Select ABC customer. Okay, it's processing. Okay, now you have to select ABC customer here. Now in services, I'll select the same sales. In description, I'll enter sales return. Quantity would be 1, rate would be 20. Okay, so out of 50, we have returned 20. That's why I have entered amount as 20, and simply select save and close. Now again come into the ledger of that particular customer, that is ABC customer, and in transaction list you can see credit note, bill, invoice, credit note, as well as one other entry of 0 amount. Okay, as you can see, our credit note has been auto applied against the particular invoices. Now I am going to delete this 0 entry, and I am going to explain what it is. Okay, so for allocation purpose, just select receive payment option. Currently status is unapplied. Okay, so just click on receive payment option. Now in upper side you can see invoices, and in below you can see credit notes. Our invoice value is 60, credit note amount is 24. So in invoice section you have to manually add credit note amount 24. So our amount is received, it would become 0. Okay, because out of credit note invoice, out of credit note 24 has been settled against that particular invoice. Okay, so whenever you allocate credit note in QuickBooks, it will create this kind of transaction. Okay, it's null transaction, it's for allocation purpose only. So you can identify whether my credit note has been allocated or not on the basis of this transaction. If you want to unallocate the credit note, then you can delete this transaction. Okay, so this is for today. Thanks for watching. Kindly like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.